Hey guys, we are here to talk about different eating habits between America and China. We are going to discuss this topic from five aspects: minor difference, tools, difference, sauce, eating habit, fast food culture, presented by Green Group, 家俊王、冰清王、叶流、小岩流。Now we are going to talk about minor difference between China and America. When it comes to formal eating, the American has a long process of eating compared to Chinese. The American eat dishes after dishes, use different kinds of knives and forks for different kinds of dishes. It takes a long time to eat a formal dinner in America. However, in China, we serve all our dishes at the same time. People gather around at a round table and start eating. Also, the atmosphere of eating dinner is usually more relaxing and loud in China. Next, we are going to discuss how to accommodate to the huge manner difference here in the US. Though we have very different eating manner and having mistakes during a formal eating seems inevitable, however, there are precautions we can do to lower the chance of making mistakes. First, we can learn all the table manner online. There are tons of introduction videos about eating manner. Second, we can ask the host what kind of dishes we are going to eat during that dinner and prepare for them in advance. Third, practice makes perfect. We can buy some knives and forks at home to practice. Next,
Next, we're going to talk about different tableware that are used by people from different countries. In China, the most highly used utensils are spoons and chopsticks. On Chinese family tables, both spoons and chopsticks can be applied to eat many dishes, including soup, rice, noodles, vegetables. Also, Chinese people are accustomed to eating with one hand. In contrast, while having meals in America, knives and forks are not only indispensable tools but also quite an art. Here, people usually have a knife in one hand and a fork in the other. Although there are spoons appear in many restaurants, they are only used to drink coffee or soup. In the process of eating, tableware plays a crucial role. Therefore, finding ways to adapt to different dinnerware is of great help to fit food differences. Among them, one relatively useful way is to learn both methods of eating, that is, studying how to make use of knives, forks, and chopsticks. As a matter of fact, chopsticks are specially provided for the convenience of Chinese international students in some markets and traditions on campus.
Now we want to introduce you about the third difference of eating habits between America and China, the difference of sauce usage. When I first came to America, I have few ideas about the usage of the sauce, but I am working on campus as a student cook, so I know a lot about the usage of sauce. People are used to categorize each sauce depends on their usage. For example, people are likely to put ranch sauce, Italian sauce, and mayo sauce together just because they are used for serving subs. However, in China, people are more likely to use green onion, garlic, and soy sauce for almost all food they are going to make. Those materials are exactly the base of the traditional Chinese food. American people are more specific in the usage of sauce. We are all international students from China, so talking about how to adjust this difference, I think the most efficient way is just enjoy the sauce usage in such an American style. Actually, we are going to learn this specific usage of sauce so that we can apply that in China. It is such an excellent way to make good food in this way. By the way, we are pretty enjoying the sauce there right now.
Here is a talking of the difference of diet culture between Chinese and American. The first point is Chinese live on rice for main food usually, whereas American like pastries, including bread and burgers. Also, there are more kinds of vegetables serving in Chinese dining tables, especially the leaf vegetables like spinach and garbage. By construct, forms of American vegetables appear in lettuce, in burgers, and all kinds of beans. Besides, Americans enjoy some cold food, like salads and cold water. Plus, the vegetables inside the hamburgers are usually raw, like tomato and onion slices, which is just adverse to Chinese style. Instead, Chinese favor hot food, except the primer cold fish. All food is have to be served hot. Different diet habits are due to the different cultural backgrounds, and we are here to talk about how to adapt to the different diet habits. As international students, we have much say in this matter. First, I have to say, with the development of globalization, the difficulty of adoption to the different diet culture has been greatly reduced. In other words, personalized service plays an important role in this side. For example, when I have a meal in a steak restaurant, it's hard for me to take a rare kind, so it's totally fine to get a well done one, although it's not usually ordered by Americans. The other serious difference in diet habit is that Americans are used to eating cold food, especially drinking cold water. This is not gonna to be a problem at all since kettles are everywhere in America now. It's more convenient to buy them in Target in order to warm water for drinking. And in summer, Chinese enjoy iced water too.
Okay, so let's talk about the difference of the fast food between the US and China. In China, most of the fast food restaurants serves food exactly like what we are eating as usual. However, I noticed that American people are more likely to choose more some hamburgers, fries, and chicken nuggets when they are going to have some fast food, which are all high calorie. But it is really fast food. By eating those things, people will get full quickly and it will not use so much time when people are going to make those fast food. And when we're thinking about adapting this kind of difference, the only thing I could do is going to gym. I mean, I cannot avoid eating fast food in the US. So what we are going to fix the increasing calories we got is super essential. So personally speaking, I will going to gym about twice a week. By the way, it do save a lot of time if I order fast food like McDonald's.
All of these differences are caused by many reasons. One important factor is the dietary concept. People in America pay more attention to the nutrition and health of food, while Chinese focus on the delicacy of food. Also, different type of food caused by various regions lead to the difference in food culture. As we can see, American families eat bread and large pieces of meat. However, in China, rice, noodles, and vegetables are the staple food. In addition, taste is essential reason.
Due to different geographical features, climate environments, and dietary concepts, habits on eating food between China and America are in totally different styles. Overall, we point kinds of divergent diet habits between China and America, finding out that all differences are able to be accepted and adopted methodically.